back. Right foot comes through. Step it all the way to the front. Drop the hips. Bring the feet together. Intense pose. Here we go. Hold it right here. And exhale, dive. One breath to one movement. Left foot steps back. Inhale as you look up. Fingertips are light. Exhale back into the heels. Inhale to plank. Stretching out the space between your vertebrae. Exhale. Keep that belly up. Don't let your lower back sag. Land. Inhale. Roll your shoulders back. Down dog. Left foot comes through. Step it all the way up. Beautiful. Feet together. Bend your knees. Inhale and rise. Exhale. Bring the hands back. Just stay here. The question is, are you happy? I'm happy. Let it go. All right.